I've worked for Bentley, I've worked for Bugatti, I used to work for Italdesign. I've been working for Mercedes-Benz, I used to work for TVR. We're going to develop a little toolbox and we talk about geometric theory behind volumes. This is important because when you are an automotive designer, you need to have certain surface theory and geometric theories in mind for the shape to reach a certain quality and for the highlights to run cleanly across the car. Up to this point, it was all about communicating the design idea for our car. But if your design gets chosen or is successful in the selection, you will have to face reality, really, and then start translating your design onto an engineering package, because after all, we're designing products which have to be manufactured in a high level of quality. My name is David Siesing. I'm a car designer from Cologne, Germany.